and welcome to my Welsh lessons. So we're going to look at diphthong sounds, which is when two vowels come together in Welsh to make friends. So I recommend you watch my short and long vowels video first to get a bit of grounding, so then you'll have a better idea of what these letters sound like on their own. So when we put them together, they're going to be kind of familiar if you've looked at the previous video. Okay, so let's take the a from car and the I from pimp. A, I. So when you put these together, you can make a word like cae, or a word like air. So when you see an A and a U, that's your sound, ae. So cae, air. You can stretch that sound a little bit further out, so it sounds like I. So you basically hear more emphasis on the a part of it, and that's the sound we say for my. Very important word because a lot of sentences will start with this. For example, my Genny or my or okay, so it's a sort of introductory sentence. My. The same sound with any AE, for example, Caer. Yes, so like in Caerdydd, which is Cardiff in Welsh. So that's I. So my, Caer. Okay. Then we have AI. So this is like the sound in bike, more like mine. Yeah. So if you say mine, I, that sound. So for example, the word mine in Welsh is a different word altogether, and it's spelt like this: mine. Or another one, pied. It's a good one if you want to tell someone to stop it. You say pied. Okay, and paid a, and your verb if you want to say don't So paid a bita gormod, don't eat too much. Okay, so can throw people off sometimes when they see those words, of course, because they look very similar or exactly the same as words in English with totally different pronunciations. So that's mine, pied. Okay, then we have a, which is, like the sound in able, for example, the a sound, and that's what you get with an e and an I. So if you say a something, it's like his or her, whatever you're talking about. So a hanes is like his history, his story. Beti a hanes or beti a hanes. However, if you have EU, that's a, which doesn't sound that different. You've got a with a very e sound at the end, a, and you have a where that I sound is a little bit more like the I in a. So a hanes. So that's sometimes the difference between his history and their history. A hanes. So when these are in words, you get a sound like tail, which is tile, but tail with the EI. And then with the EU, you get taily. So that tail, taily. It can be hard to pronounce these U sounds at first, but try that. Okay, so ow. So that's AW. It's like you're in pain, ow. Okay, or maybe if you're saying the word hour in English, but you don't put that last bit in, so ow. Okay, let's practice that. Hour, no, ow. Now that gets elongated a little bit as well. So you have words like bow, bow, or the word for hand, sow. Now you can watch my video on how to pronounce the S sound if you're not sure, but sow. Okay, and the last one for this video is EW. So you have two ways of saying this one again, short and long. So the again is like the in egg, and the is like you know. So for example, the long version, you have a word like tail. So you have the tail. Not a nice word to say, but tail. And then you have the shorter one, like the word mewn. So mewn, that's an ew, mewn. Okay, so mewn. Let's run through some examples once again. So mal, cair, air, cae, mine, paid, tail, a, taily, a, bow, sow, tail, mewn. I'm going to challenge you now by showing you 3 sentences and letting you have a go at saying them. The first one means there is gold on the table. Okay, so mae yna aur ar y bwrdd. Mae yna aur ar y bwrdd. So we've got mae, aur. Okay, the next one just means his brother's family. So teulu ei frawd. So teulu ei frawd. You've got teulu from before and frawd from brawd, which is brother, and it's treiglad here. So the ow sound. And the last one means don't go in. So paid a mynd I fewn. Paid a mynd I fewn. So we've got paid a mynd I fewn. Okay, great. Well, feel free to watch that again, get the hang of it. And my second video is going to introduce you to a few more diphthongs if you just haven't had enough. Alright, so thank you for watching.